So I have a really weird setup going on today because I actually broke the stand to my ring light. Go figure, it would be me. So I ordered an Epson PictureMate. You're probably saying to yourself, why in the world would she get that? Well, I work with a lot of 4x6s sometimes. And because I do other things like journaling and other stuff, I like to be able to print smaller than on my larger printers. And so I got this from Dell, and I know a lot of people probably won't want to use this. But if you're a person that has to print out a lot of pictures, or if you're working on cards or just, just photographs or whatever you're using it for, I have found that this will save me time, effort, and energy and ink that I would normally waste trying to print multiple pictures and 4x6s, 5x7s on larger paper, then cut it down. And then I've got this other paper that I've wasted a little bit. So let me go ahead and try to unbox this. So I'll be candid. I paused because it took a little minute to go in and type all of the password numbers and letters for my Wi-Fi, my printer. But nonetheless, it's still set up. Here's something else about me too. Whenever I purchase a printer or anything that's going to need ink, I have a habit of buying an additional cartridge. I know that a cartridge came with this printer, but just in the event that I'm in the process of printing something or working on a project and I run out of ink, there's no guarantee that your local office supply store is going to carry the ink for some of these printers. And not saying that they won't all the time. They may have it some of the time, but I just like to be safe than sorry. So that's one of my little habits, just as a freebie. Now I want to go ahead and test. I keep remembering, everything is not touch. So I'm going to do a print head alignment. I've already loaded my 4x6 paper in the bag. I'm just using what came with the package. And I want to reiterate, this is not a sponsored product. This is just something I chose to buy because I find myself, once again, I'm printing 4x6s, 5x7s for different things, and I'm wasting additional paper. And so the amount of paper that I waste, I could have just gone ahead and purchased this. So that's what I ended up doing. So we're going to go ahead and do a test real quick. So far, the printing came out pretty good. And so I am going to pause the video so I can go through all of these print head alignment prompts so that I can clear it out. Now we're going to go ahead and print a photo as a true test. As you can see, it prints off a really pretty borderless 4x6. I like the fact that this is a small, compact little printer that prints from it goes up to 4x6, 5x7s. And I don't have to find a lot of space for it because it sits right here at the corner edge of my desk. And it's compact. And it's really easy to use. I can use it from my cell phone or I can use it from my computers. And based upon the picture, like I said, I can use it for backing cards. I can use it for my product cards. We all have those one-offs, and this is going to save me a lot of money, effort, and time. Okay, I'm always doing some thrifting for my journaling. And I came across this photo paper, and I don't know if it was a Goodwill store or some other store I went into. But there are 150 sheets of 4x6 that I found for $4 that, believe it or not, this is perfect for this printer. But at the same time, even if you don't find yourself going into one of these stores, the prices for this printer paper is going to be a lot less in terms of usage than if it were a full sheet of paper. Okay, now I looked up I have 2 unopened packages of 4x6 photo paper that I found from the thrift store for $4. You know what? I couldn't beat that if I wanted to. I had to go to Amazon to see if this paper was available at an economical price, and I found that you can get up to almost 200 sheets for almost $6. Just in case you're interested, I've included the information from Amazon about the price of the printer. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much.